Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get back your Instagram account if someone has hacked it. Right, so basically maybe you're facing this issue and you're not able to open your Instagram account. So how you can just, get your back Instagram account right now. So I will show you a solution here. You have to just go to the Instagram account and right now it's login. So of course in your account you will not able to log in. So you will basically see this kind of option. Right, so just let me show you. So basically you will see this guy here. You have to just enter the username of your account, right? So I will just enter the username here, for example. After that you will see here, if you're using an Android, then you will get this option, get help login in. And if you're using an iOS, then you will get this option, that forgotten password. So click on that and after that it will load. So here you will get this option, find your account. So I will just click on can't reset my password. So you have to click on can't reset your password, and after that you will get this option. And of course you will not able to send the code through your email because the hacker has changed your email and the recovery email through. So I will just click on the try another way. Okay, and here you will get this option that my account was hacked. So just select this and after that just click on the next. And here you can see, do you have a photo of yourself in your account? If you have it, then it's great. Make sure to check this one, and if you don't have, then you have to select this one. So for example, if I have a photo, I will just click on yes, then I will click on the next, and after that it will load for a few seconds here. So you have to just wait here patiently. And here, how can we reach you? So basically you have to enter this email address which you are using right now, which is active and which you can use it, right? So just enter any of the email address which you have right now. Make sure don't enter the email address where which one the hacker hacked it, right? And after entering the email address, you have to just click on submit. So for example, if I just write the email address, and if I just click on the submit, it will load for a few seconds. And basically you can see that it may take up to a minute for, so be 6-digit code will be sent to my email address. So I will just enter a code. So let me enter that code here. So guys, here you can see that I have received that code. So basically you can see verify your account, and I will just copy this code here and I will just go enter here and I will enter the code and just click on confirm, right? And it will load for a few seconds. So you have to just wait patiently. Let's see what's happened here. Now guys, here you have to take a selfie of yours. So just click on the next, right? And hold your phone at eye level and you have to just click on the next, and basically you have to take a selfie. And after this selfie, they will try to match with your account which has been hacked, right? So this is the only way, and after that they will get back to you in the next 24 hours through your email address, and they will recover your account if it is yours, right? So this is it, and this is the best solution where you can just recover your account. And if you found this video really helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.